What is good, guys? It's your boy Ray J back with another video, and in this video, I'm going to be talking about the one and only Tesla. Tesla is officially a $1 trillion company and has broken past $1,000 in terms of its share price. It absolutely shattered all expectations after something huge just came out, and I'm extremely excited to tell you guys that something amazing just happened to Tesla. I'm going to talk about that, the big piece of news, what Elon Musk just said, and all those big things you guys have to pay attention to if you hold Tesla. But before I do say anything, I do have to mention that I'm not a financial legal or taxation expert, so do not take this as financial legal or taxation advice. Everything in this video is solely for entertainment purposes only. And also, if you guys can, please smash that like button if you want to see more videos like this on stream, but for the entire Tesla community as a whole. With all that said and done and out of the way, guys, let's get on with the video. So looking at Tesla right now, we can see that it's up over 12.66% for the day. It started off as low as $944, then ran up and up and up and up all the way to $1,045 before dropping down to $1,024, which is where it closed at. But overall, still insanely up right now, up over 12.66%. It's looking absolutely fantastic, and this thing is just getting started. So let me just show you guys something. This is the 1 month chart for Tesla. 1 month ago, this thing was at $763. It is now well above 1,000. It's closed above 1,000, and it did this even sooner than I predicted. So in my previous videos, I did mention that I saw Tesla going past 900 this month and maybe closing the end of the year at around 1,000 and breaking 1,000. It turns out I was wrong. I was off by a month and a half. It ended up happening much, much, much earlier than anyone had anticipated, and that's because of a huge piece of news that came out. But before I talk about that, let's just go on with some technicals. Guys, if I bring up the Bollingers, okay, check this out. If I bring up some Bollingers, Tesla's just absolutely crushed it. It went above one upper band. It went above the upper Bollinger, showing insane strength. This thing is extremely strong and looking absolutely fantastic. RSI, well above 70. Insane strength for Tesla. The stock is extremely strong and it's looking even better than ever before. If I bring up the 6 month chart just like this, guys, you could see the same thing happening. Insane strength from Tesla, and it just shows that this thing has even more time. The last thing I want to show you real quick is the MACD, and I like to show them at different increments like that just to make them more distinguishable. But look at this, guys. Right here, the MACD crossed the 9-day moving average. That basically means the indicator of the overall momentum and movement of a stock. So right here, guys, this just means that there's a bullish cycle. Bullish, Tesla going up and up and up and up, and the MACD has not crossed, which means that it's indicative that Tesla is not going to just like bounce down and start dropping back to 900. No, what's most likely going to happen is Tesla's not done, guys. It's going to keep going up even more than this. I'm talking about going above 1100 very, very soon. And it's basically going to approach really, really high numbers. And it's just getting started, guys. So this is the future. Tesla's doing amazing and it has insane potential. But anyways, before I talk any more about technicals and what my stock price prediction is for tomorrow in the near-term future for Tesla, I do have to mention something. And that is the big piece of news that just came out. It was reported by CNBC that Tesla hits a $1 trillion market cap for the first time after Hertz says it will buy 100,000 electric vehicles. So Hertz is a big rental company and they want to buy 100,000 electric vehicles. And that's going to be absolutely insane. I mean, I was just shaking when I heard about this, guys. They're going electric. They're buying a ton of Teslas and they're ready to help Tesla, you know, improve this earth. They're ready to buy a ton of them and rent them out, and it's going to be absolutely huge. Elon Musk did tweet about that. He said wild 1 trillion times. That to me is just really, really funny, but I'm just speechless right now because can you imagine where Tesla was a month ago? Imagine where it was a year ago. People did not see this company exploding the way it did. There were people saying that Tesla would crash to zero. Tesla will not survive. This and that. It was the end of Tesla. People shorted Tesla. And imagine if you shorted this thing. Let me just bring up the 1 year chart. And I have to give my condolences to the people who shorted this thing because you made a horrible, horrible mistake. Imagine shorting this stock right here when it was in the 30s, thinking it would crash to zero and ends up going to 1,000. Can you imagine that? I, I don't even know what to say, guys. Just the simple lesson is don't bet against Elon Musk. That's the simple lesson, guys. This thing is just a rocket that has so much potential. I'm not even over it. It was also reported by The Verge Tesla breaking the $1,000 share price and the $1 trillion market cap. It is the largest electric company on earth. It has insane potential, new models coming out, and new orders from Hertz to basically distribute as many of these Teslas as possible, rent them out, sell them, despite all the quarterly chip shortages, despite all the mountains in their way, despite all the obstacles, despite all of that. Tesla has killed it, and they're still doing incredible work. So I do want to report this right over here, guys. And basically, CNBC reported that Tesla had disclosed a deliveries of 241,300 electric vehicles in the quarter ending on September 30th, 2021. So Tesla is doing 241,000 electric vehicles per quarter, yet Hertz is ordering 100,000 electric cars, and the large majority of them are going to be Tesla. So that's going to be absolutely huge. And I do think that they're basically Tesla as a company is going to have to work on improving its production capabilities, which is why Elon Musk has ordered and gotten Tesla to essentially build more factories. Get ready, especially in Austin, Texas. They also expanded in California and some parts near Fremont, and that's going to be insane. So I just want to put it out there. Tesla is still a child. I know it sounds crazy. It's a giant, but it's still a child because it hasn't hit adulthood yet. Adulthood is going to come in a decade from now. This thing is just getting started, and this thing has insane potential. It's going to be insane. So, I do want to talk about this, guys. People are just so happy. I mean, I don't know what to say. Elon Musk was excited. So many people are just replying in Twitter. I mean, this is just one of the most insane, amazing things I've ever seen in my life to see Tesla doing so well. Now, when it comes to other pieces of news out there, actually, let me say this first before I say anything. Basically, Elon Musk, uh, today alone, his market cap went up by about $25 billion, which is crazy. But I do want to note something. Elon Musk is the richest man in the world by quite some margin, and he's going to continue to get richer. So I just want to put it out there. Elon Musk is killing it, and I have a lot of respect for Jeff Bezos too, whether you guys like him or not. But I'm just gonna put it out there. He's killed it. Jeff Bezos has killed it, and the future is extremely bright because Elon Musk has more visions out there. He is nowhere near finished. Big things are still coming for Tesla and SpaceX. But, anyways, that's the big piece of news that also came out. I saw that on Forbes, but right over here, it was announced that Tesla's full self-driving beta 10.3.1 starts rollout after brief weekend rollback. So basically, they did get a little bit attacked for the rollback that happened after there were bugs in their initial rollout software version 10.3. And despite that, there was a bit of a delay. And Elon Musk did tweet about that. So I'm going to talk about what Elon Musk said before I give you guys my prediction and end this video. But Elon Musk basically said he responded to this because Tesla Rati put this on their website, and Elon Musk replied to it, and he said, "Sorry to Tesla beta users for the trouble. Issue turned out to be power saving mode interacting with full self driving beta. Our internal QA fleet didn't see this because cars are constantly in use, so very rarely entering power saving mode. Internal QA will obviously test this case going forward." So that's a big thing for Tesla. They're back in action. The full self driving beta is out. It's better than ever before, and it's going to get better as time progresses. So I just want to talk about that tweet from Elon Musk, but I mean, I'm still shaking right now, guys. I'm still shaking when I think about this. I'm absolutely starstruck by this. Tesla's the $1 trillion company. It finally happened. We were waiting for this for so long, and it finally happened. Look at Tesla's share price, over 1,000. And look, I do apologize because I was trying to be as realistic as possible. I didn't know about Hertz, or I didn't foresee that. So I did tell you guys that it would probably take a month for Tesla to get to 1,000. It ended up happening much earlier. And that's okay because most of us didn't anticipate it to be this insane. But at the end of the day, guys, I'm gonna be honest with you. Even I try to be as realistic as possible, but I'm gonna be proven wrong again and again because Tesla is proving everyone wrong. Even people that love the company like me. I mean, I just don't know what to say, guys. This thing is, from this point, I think Kathy Wood might be wrong. She might be wrong. She said Tesla's going to go to $3,000 in 2025. Well, it might be at, who knows, maybe 4,000 or 5,000 or 10,000. Who knows, guys? This thing might be even bigger than people think. This thing is going to be huge. And the potential that this company has is insane. So, anyways, I just hypothetically put it out there. And from what I predict is going to happen is I predict for the rest of the week, it's going to continue going up. And we should see $1,100 coming very, very soon by next week at the latest. With that said, guys, thank you so much for listening. Have a great rest of the day. I'm super, super pumped, and Tesla is amazing. Thank you. Have a great rest of the day. Have a good night, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.